Imagine having access to some of the most advanced aircraft in the world without breaking the bank. That's what Hindustan Aeronautics Limited provides for its customers, but how does it do it? Let's dive into the company behind this incredible technology. The Indian government owns a 71.17% stake in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, one of India's leading defence and aerospace companies. The company was incorporated in 1940 with the mission to design, develop, and manufacture aircraft, helicopters, and other aerospace products. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is a major player in the global aerospace market, producing a wide range of products including basic trainer and light combat aircraft, intermediate jet trainers, and maritime utility helicopters. The company also manufactures turbofan and turboshaft engines, as well as advanced materials such as aluminum alloy riveted structures. The Indian government has invested heavily in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to support its growth and development. The company has received significant funding for research and development, which has enabled it to produce high-quality products at competitive prices. Despite the challenges posed by the global economic downturn, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has continued to grow its revenue and profit margins. In fact, the company's dividend yield has remained steady at 0.8%, indicating confidence in its financial performance. The company's stock price has also trended upwards, with a beta of 0.745 indicating that it is relatively volatile but still offers strong growth potential. The market capitalization of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited stands at over $32 billion, making it one of the largest aerospace companies in India. But what drives investor interest? One major factor is the company's ability to offer affordable products to customers around the world. By manufacturing aircraft and helicopters on a large scale, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited reduces its costs and makes them more competitive with foreign manufacturers. Additionally, the company has been expanding its services beyond just producing aerospace products. It offers maintenance, repair, and overhauling services, as well as power plants and systems for various industries. This diversification strategy has helped the company to increase its revenue streams and reduce its dependence on a single product line. Investors are also attracted to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's strong financial performance. The company's profit margin of 0.269979998 indicates that it is generating significant profits from its operations. Its earnings growth rate of -0.077% suggests that the company will continue to grow at a steady pace in the future. Overall, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is an exceptional investment opportunity for those looking to capitalize on India's growing aerospace industry and the government's commitment to supporting this sector. With its strong financial performance, diversified product portfolio, and expanding services, the company is well positioned to drive growth and profitability in the years ahead. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.